Alright, this is a sweet little trade we got in recently. This is a 2004 Forest River Sunseeker 2900 floor plan. You got a Chevy Chassis in it, and then this is a Class C motorhome. I will have the mileage on it posted below in the video. Have any questions or anything, call Cedric, and I'll have that number on here as well. So what I like to do when I show these just on the video is start my way outside and work my way inside, and we'll just show you. You do have an awning on this. It does come out pretty far, so you can get it set up nice at the campground. And then just showing you, you've got lots of good storage options. You got LP there, which I'll have those specs in there on the video as well. And just showing you, you got a storage compartment there. You got storage compartment there, and you got a good pass-through storage there with lights and everything, so that's nice. You do have a ladder on this, so you can walk the roof and inspect it, or just get up there and hang out. It does have a walkable roof on it. You've got the tow or the receiver hitch back here with a 7-way, so that way if you need to pull a car or something behind you, you can. And there's the other side here. You got your gas tank, connections are over here for city water, sewer outlet and everything. And then you got a couple storage compartments there, and then just showing you the generator. You got a 4,000 watt generator on this unit. So I got it running right now, so it's nice and cool when I film the inside. Alright, so, and then the tires on this are in really good condition. So, I mean, this has gone through our service department, so somebody could drive this off the lot today and go camping tomorrow if they want. So, let me show you in the inside. Okay, here we are inside. This is up here in the cab. Let's see if I can figure out how to pull the miles up on this. You have to forgive me, I'm a little new, so I'm still trying to figure all these things out. Oh, here we go. 77,869 miles. So not bad, still got a lot of life left in her. And then you got AC, it's blowing nice and cold. Can't feel it in the video, but it is nice and cold. I got it running, so maybe you can hear it running from in here. But wanted to show you, you've got lots of good leg room in here, cup holders and everything. So this, and the seats are nice and comfortable, so it feels good in here. So and I'll show you the cabin here. Right above the cab, you've got some cabinets. It does have an old style TV in there, but you can definitely take that out and upgrade the television really easily from a TV at Walmart or something. You do have some storage in here, which is nice. And then this has a pull-out deal here. Now, this is actually supposed to have a mattress in it. Whoever started it in took it out, so but you can get a mattress for pretty cheap. Put a mattress in there if you want to sleep somebody up there, or just use it for storage. Good amount of cabinet space in here. And then to the right here, you've got your couch, and that is a Jackknife Sofa, I believe. Nope, that's a sleeper sofa, so that'll come out. And then you've got storage above that, all kinds of space. Here's your dinette, a nice little dinette. 2 riders can ride there. You do have seat belts on that couch too, by the way. And you've got all kinds of cabinet space above that, the dinette as well. And your little kitchenette here, you've got double bowl sink, and you do have this is cool, you got this little leaflet that pops up, so it gives you more prep space. You do have the cover that props down on the stove, so it gives you more prep space, and then you can move it back. Oops. There as well when you're using the stove. And just showing you a couple things. I mean, this does need a little bit of work, I guess. Still usable. You got a little bit of peeling on the old style wallpaper here. But man, somebody could get this and really fix it up and make it their own. You've got 1,000 watt microwave. To the right of that, you got a good cabinet there for dishes. Down below the sink, you've got drawers with the nice rollers on them for silverware. It's a nice little kitchenette there. And then your refrigerator is directly behind that. And you got a fridge. This is nice and clean for it being a used unit. And it's a Dinette, so this will run off gas, or excuse me, propane and electric. So electric when you're hooked up at the lot, and then propane one for when you're going down the road. And then you have a little cabinet above that for things, maybe an appliance of some sort. To the left of that, I'll just show you your generator starts in here. Your controls are in here. Your lights. You can also check your tank levels and everything in this. So there's your, they call it a convenience center. So really nice. And then we'll go over here. Here's your bathroom area. You got a nice big stand-up shower in here with a skylight. So pretty nice. You can have little holders built into the side there. Just showing you that. Directly behind you is your little private bathroom area. And then your toilet's there, foot flush toilet. You do have your sink. You have your cabinets down below. And then you do have a little medicine cabinet in here. Pretty cool. Put all your toothbrushes in there, and you do have a little counter space in there, plug in and a plug-in for a hair dryer. So if you want to get ready for a night out on the town when you're not at the campsite, you can do that. Bedroom, you got a queen size bed. You've got drawers on the left, and I would call this dresser space or anything. You can put there is a hanging rod in there, so you can hang clothes up in there, put clothes in here, different things in there. And then you have over to the right, you've got another big cabinet with 2 drawers. So lots of wardrobe space in this, and drawers to put your socks and stuff like that in there. Shades. It looks like the shades are all in good shape on this. Oh yeah, those are good shape. And they're all like that, most of them. So let's see what this is. Oh, cool. That's a little prop-up shelf. So maybe you can put a TV or something there. So yeah, a nice little unit that we got in on trade. Let's see, there's a thermostat. That's probably a heater. And then you got a 15,000 BTU AC in this. I've had it only running for like 15 minutes, and it's almost 100 degrees outside, and it feels good in here already. So I might just stay in here and work in here today. So nice little used Sunseeker that we've got. I'll have pricing information for you in the email. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I'm Cedric. I just wanted to run over a pretty good perk that you get when you get a camper from us. We call it the Elite Membership Card, and what's nice about it is you get all kinds of different savings with it. So I wanted to run through some of those with you real quick. First of all, we have over 2,100 RV parks nationwide, and with that card it gives you 10% off the nightly rate. We give you this book that's full of coupons. It's also full of all the campgrounds we have nationwide, and so you can plan a really good trip and save all kinds of money that way across the nation. And we're actually adding parks daily to that list. And then also we have a store full of all kinds of goodies for all your camping needs, and it gives you up to 30% off of everything in our store, which is really cool. We also give you free shipping. That discount also applies to anything you order online, and you get free shipping. We have a concierge service. Our parking lot is so big. The reason why that is we actually have electric hookup stations out there. So let's say you're driving along the highway one night, you see one of our stores nearby, you can actually pull into the parking lot, back up your RV, plug it in, turn the AC on, and go to sleep. I call it kind of an overnight service because you can't really camp out there, but we have over 146 locations nationwide with that service and growing. So you can do that, and you save money on a hotel. I think that's a phenomenal perk. Plus I have a lot of people that'll buy an RV and stay the night in my parking lot, and I'll take them coffee the next morning and go over anything that they had questions over, staying the night in and out in our parking lot. So really, really good service. We also have free RV dumps, so if you need to empty your black tanks, your gray tanks, you got a place to do that for free. And then we also have a free freshwater fill up, so you can fill up the water before you go. We also have that book, like I told you we're going to give you, that's going to give you over $1,400 coupons for a store. We give you a free 22-point annual RV inspection. And then this is one of my favorite ones, the Pilot Flying J Fuel discount. You get up to 9 cents a gallon discount when you use that card at any of the Pilot stores or Flying J stores, which is really neat. And then you also get, I believe it's 15% off a propane fill up as well. I mean, when you buy a camper from us, we're going to fill up your propane bottles right away for you when you take it with you. But when you need to refill, you get 15% off the propane fill up. I think that's really good. Not a lot of places offer that. Another thing we're going to give you, roadside assistance. You get 1 year roadside assistance that covers your RV, but will also cover your personal vehicles. The way I say it, as long as you have that card with you when you're getting service for whatever. I locked my keys in the car one time. It was nice because they got there in like 30 minutes and bailed me out. So that's another really good perk that we give you. And that's basically it. I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown of everything that we cover and give you here at our store. And I appreciate you giving me your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at the number below. Have a good day.